Hey guys, it's Brian and welcome back to Arrowhead Garage. Today on Firebird Friday, we're going to install the turn signals for the front on the 67 Firebird. Last video, part one, we didn't have a chance to get them because we're still waiting on parts. We got the parts in, so let me show you how to install a set of these or replace one if you need to. So with that, let's shut her down. Let's get to wrenching on this week's Firebird Friday. So here are all the components for the turn signals. You have your wiring adapter, which plugs in like that. You got your housing. You got your bulb, your 1157. Throw that in real quick here. Lock that into place. Get this waterproof connector down on that. Bulb's in. Next, we have a gasket. We'll put this gasket in. Then you got your cover. And so it'll mount like this on the car. So then on 67s, this little part here goes out to the outside edge there. And that goes on. And you have two screws. They go in there and there. And then just tighten them down. Remember, that's plastic on plastic, so don't go all crazy. Okay, now let's get this installed in the car. Those turn signals go in right here, and there's two. There should be two, yeah. There are two, those L brackets. If you don't have some, grab yourself a package of these. And you can see these here are slipped in right here on the back side of that bumper. Fish your wiring through. You can see your tabs. There we go. Finally got her in there. This is a 5/16, so let's get back in there. All right, I think she's tight. Now let's get this connection connected. So we're back up top now. Here's our turn signal wire. And then in here, there it is. Plug those two together and you're done. Now I'm not quite sure where this clip's at. If you know where this clip's at to hold all this wiring, will you give me a comment down below and let me know? So with that, I'm just gonna I'm probably just gonna zip tie those wires up for right now. So let's get the other side done. All right, so we got the lights in. Let's take a look and see how they look. Whoop. There we go. There's our runners. Pretty cool. Does look like that one's a little brighter. That's the one that was white, new. This was the older one, which was painted red for my brother, but I went ahead and shot it in silver just to see. Now, they could be two different bulbs. I found two bulbs. I didn't buy two new ones, so we may have to invest in some better bulbs, or maybe this needs more ground over here. Let's try the headlights. So as you can see, those go off when the headlights come on, and the lights look to be about right. So they're all off that same fuse. Let's try the blinkers. Should have a blinker over there now. There's no blinker in the front. Oh, I bet the key has to be on. Yep, that's what it was. Had to have the key on. I forgot. So there. Okay, good. Let's try the other side. Now that blinker. Good. Guys, we got it functioning We are good to go. Idaho. The front end is put back together on the 67 Firebird.